This is a super cute set for party gifts or Easter eggs or stockings or whatever. Individually bagged, and when you open each of them, you get a ton. When you open each of them, you have the simple instructions, which were very clear. For this one, there were, 12 steps, but it was very clear. They do send you this card as well that says to reach out to them if you're missing any pieces, which I haven't found that to be the case, but that's nice. And I put together this little fish. Took me about 10 minutes, and I'm not a regular builder of this brick stuff, but really, really cute. And it was really easy to snap on. The pieces go together well. The little fins move on the little hinge. It stays together well. You could, it stands up well, but you could even pop it off and it would have playable quality too. You can see. So it stays together, but if you need to take it apart, you also don't need to have a tool, which is really nice. I think it's a good quality. And they are compatible with the big brand. Super cute. So really happy with that. And I'm excited to see what all the rest of them makes.